Good morning, crafty friends. It's Diann with Bean Street Paper. It's a beautiful Sunday morning here in North Carolina, and I want to be outside. I'm a little uninspired lately. I've been working a lot and stuff like that. So we're going to talk about how you would use a card sketch, maybe to jumpstart your creativity. And I chose this card sketch from Freshly Made Sketches. It's number 558. I just thought it was plain simple. I liked it. It looked like it was easy enough to keep me interested and get started. So here we go. This is the card I created using this card sketch. I'm kind of over Valentine's Day, so I went with St. Patty's Day. And if you open it up, it's got a nice insert inside with another three-leaf clover. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me move all my goodies out of the way. Now, I used this stamp set, Lucky Clover. There are very few St. Patty's Day stamp sets, so I was super excited about that. So you're going to need a card base. As always, mine is size A2, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It's just a half sheet of 8 1/2 by 11 cardstock, no matter which way you cut it, on the long side or the short side. Okay, you're going to need a base piece of paper, and I'll put all these measurements again down below. It's going to be 4 by 5 1/4. I cut this off of not a 12 by 12 piece of paper, so I have this tiny little strip left. You can make your strip bigger if you choose, but that's going to go on my insert. I was going to say I'm missing some squares. You'll need 4 squares. And these guys measure, let's measure. They measure 1 1/2 inches. So they're 1 1/2 inches. I die cut these with a circular die cut. I don't think it has a brand, but and some glue. And of course, I went ahead and stamped my clover on a scrap of the same green cardstock that I used for my card base. So let's put our card together. We're going to do our insert first. Simply just affixing this little strip to the bottom. So what's the weather like where y'all are? It's sunny here, but it's too chilly to really, I don't know, do anything I want to do. We've been in the 30s, so that's a little chilly for me. So who still has snow on the ground? We're going to put this guy inside. All right. And then we're going to put our front piece on, and then we're going to do some stamping. Just going to center this guy in the middle of the page. Okay, and then I'm going to put my card just up here so he can dry, and we're going to get to some stamping. So this is just a scrap piece of paper. I'm going to set out all my cards, my little squares. Oh no, I dropped stamps. Hold on, let me grab them before the dogs decide they need a snack here. They probably wouldn't do that, but you never know. So I need good luck. I need that stamp. And I need my big clover for the inside. Okay. So what I'm going to do is take my Granny Apple Green, or just any green, lighter than, move these out of the way. Okay, so I stamped off before I stamped these guys on these blocks, and I stamped them on 3 blocks. 3 of the 4 blocks because the 4th one had my sentiment on it. And you just kind of fit them in wherever. Oh, I forgot to stamp that one off. Well, boo, it'll be fine. I'll show you what we'll figure it out. Okay. So my squares are done, and then I just need to do my sentiment, which I did in a darker color. I did that in garden green. I always do a test stamp beforehand because I always tend to screw it up if I don't do that. Okay. And then the very last thing we have to stamp is the inside of our card. You could stamp more in here. You could put a sentiment in here. I just like to keep my stuff simple. Just gonna stamp this guy right here. Okay, clean this up so I don't get it everywhere. And then we're gonna assemble. Perfect. Okay. So what I did was I just laid my pieces out. I think I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do this one this way so that it's mostly covered and you can't tell that I didn't stamp off. It's not a big deal, really, but it's a big deal to me. So I'm just going to lay these out even. And basically what I'm doing is making sure I'm equal amounts away from the side of the page, of the card. And then I'm just going to go ahead and whoop, glue these guys down. Now I wanted to keep it, I wanted some dimension, which is why I popped up the shamrock, but I didn't want too much dimension because I do want to send this through the mail. So I didn't want to have a ton of, that looks even, and I'm just eyeballing. There we go. Okay. And then my good luck is going to be my last little and then I have my shamrock, and he's going to cover my boo-boo, mostly. So I am going to take some dimensionals and pop him up. Oop. On. Yeah, my fingers aren't working today, y'all. So tell me what kind of cards you guys are making now. Are we still doing Valentine's? Have we moved on? I need a ton of birthday cards. So I need to get busy doing that. Just gonna kind of set him right there. Okay. And then I have these super old sequins, but they were gold sequins. And of course, you know, gold and green, St. Patty's Day. I needed to have gold sequins to offset my green. I'm very staticky. So I put one here and one here. I'm gonna put it right here. And one here. So when you're feeling kind of blah about creating, you can always Google card sketches, and there's tons of sites that, like, why can't I pick this up? Tons of sites that have card sketches that you could use to stoke your creativity. And there you have it. All done. Cute little St. Patty's Day card. You could just use it for somebody who's, you know, trying to get a new job maybe, or you could also use it as a, you know, just good luck on your job interview or whatever. Good luck on your date, on your blind date, whatever you want to do. So without further ado, y'all, go forth and be crafty. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and a thumbs up. That helps me stay relevant in the algorithm and bring you more content. And I look forward to creating with you again in the near future. Hope you all have a great day. Bye for now.